We have growth 1 week's time, and we're already pruning back the leaves on the squash. We've got to get our stakes in so these things can grow up and not all over the place. Our arbor of beans is completed, and you can see we're getting some beans, lots of blooms. This man here is responsible. He's been out here helping me. We've gone through and picked a lot of the jalapenos. Let's see one more that we can get. Gonna have some poppers. We've been picking bell peppers and banana peppers, and we went through and picked a bunch of our beans, and first time in many years now, we finally got some of the flat Italian style beans. I just couldn't get them to grow in the other soil that we had. See here, I think I see one we missed. It's easy to miss them. Oh yeah, that's a good one there. And these are not even germinated as many as we planted, so I do think I had old seed on top of that, but we're still harvesting from that. We're gonna try again in the fall to get more. These are some of those that we moved, some zinnias. They're kind of popping out different places. We moved them from over there where they seeded last year. And you can see here a friend. Let's see if I can get him. That is a ladybug. They're good. They eat aphids and stuff like that. I think that's a ladybug. There's the beetles that are like the Japanese. Uh-oh. No, we want you back. Come back. You're my friend. I do want you to come back. I don't know what y'all are seeing, but maybe we got her. Oh, there she is. Let's see if we can get her on the leaf. There we go. So anyways, I got to be careful what I spray. I'm getting stink bugs out here, and if anybody knows what to spray to kill stink bugs, let me know. That's organic. I know permethrin will do it, but it'll kill the ladybugs too. So got a little baby bean. We do have these watermelons that are growing in here. They're very slow growing. I don't know if that means they're not actually gonna do well, but these guys over here were kind of slow growing, and they're starting to grow. And then we've got these that we moved from that other spot. They're doing well, taking off. Technically I have another row in here, but I'm not gonna have room, I don't think. I think that's too crowded. These right here, I'm just gonna let them do whatever. I'm gonna try to stay on top of them. These right here, I was gonna single vine them, but I'm also gonna let them, oh, I'm sorry, I stepped on your toe, didn't I? Dangers of the garden. But I'm just gonna let them keep growing up. We'll keep tying them off. It's kind of a headache to try to prune these. If they were going up one string vertically, it would be okay, but I think we learned our lesson this year not to do it this way again. I'm afraid this is gonna get so heavy that they're gonna fall over. But here's the thing about cucumbers, if you don't know, if you have one cucumber that goes yellow, the plant dies. It thinks it's done its job. As long as you keep them pruned back, you'll get tons of cucumbers. You can see we're starting to get some flowers, so we have to be able to look in there, make sure we don't miss anything. These tomatoes over here, we single vining them. It's time to string them up, so we'll do that this next week. I don't know what is what over here as far as, some of these are Brad's Atomic and some of these are large fruited cherry. Our other tomatoes here are doing well, so I'm looking forward to hopefully having some good tomatoes soon. We keep on single vining. I've had some mistakes that I've made. This guy here, broke him off. That was the main stem. So when that happens, you just let one of these suckers come out, because it will come out. I also, that's my insurance policy down here. If this one doesn't work up here, then I'll go to that one. If this one works, it'll just keep going up the string and I'll cut that one off down there. These are definitely the Cherokee purples. You can see the little swirl on top, but they'll turn purple. I believe those are too. And then our basil is doing well. It's all kind of random, but it's doing well. That grocery store basil, it's bushing out at the bottom, but it also is trying to bolt. I had to pull the flowers off of it. So I don't know. I really wonder almost if I cut back here, would that take over? There's some good smelling stuff though. You want to chew on that? Make sure there's no bug on it. Alright. If it is a bug, it'll taste like basil and guts, I guess. So, still haven't done these other boxes, but we're gonna do flowers in them, and those will be, depending on VBS, I don't know when we'll do those, but they'll be soon. But that's where we are. It's amazing how much it grows in 1 week, and just the amount of, the rain has come at just the right timings, and it's just really taken off. It's good therapy. Y'all have a good day.